Hi everyone, my name is Issa and welcome to the show where I try out different products made specifically for women. If you're a guy, you're still invited to watch because knowledge is power. Make sure to tag your girlfriends and your friends. So there are a lot of things that separate men from women. But I think the one thing that I envy the most is that guys can pee standing up. And so I realized it would be nice to be able to pee standing up. So without further ado, we are gonna open up the very first product of this series. I have scissors because only savages open parcels without scissors. So my friends, what I have in my hands right now is what you call the Go Girl, which says, don't take life sitting down. Go Girl allows women the convenience of standing to urinate. It's clean, it's portable, discreet, and reusable. It sounds so interesting, right? It's perfect for camping, canoeing, traveling, music festivals, and running. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up. So this is what the Go Girl looks like. It is shaped very much like a funnel. Comes with its own bag. I'm gonna drink a lot of fluids and see if I can try it out at home, and definitely I will show you guys. Okay, so just use your imagination and pretend that I'm not wearing shorts. So this goes inside here. Kind of hold it like that and seal it in place. So look, I got a little wee-wee. So we are going to be trying out at home, and then for the rest of the day, we're going to be trying it out at different locations. Let the games begin, my friends. Okay guys, so nagid kay ko, but I'm gonna try it at a public bathroom and nagpakuyog ko sa akong friends, David, Wild Axe, and Clara Dama. Ready na mo guys? I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm being like a boy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yawas siya! Nakahihi ko sa mukha mo. This is actually uta kong hadlugan nga kusuki ko mangihi na di siya basaw. So, nahihijog ko sa akong kamot. Ug na siya sa kusinina. Nasa siya sa akong panty. The accident just happened. Our first attempt was obviously a fail. Since sumanamang yun, and I'm still gonna use this for the rest of the day, ako lang yun siyang hugasan. Ano siya? But actually, it's kind of embarrassing if you wash it in public. If not kay wet wipes, kay padiran mo siya i-wipe. Struggle sa day siya gamayo eh, hindi siya lalim. So the first attempt obviously failed. Nakaihi ko. Ang lalaki, sulti kaayo no, kay makahi ra anywhere. Mo-attempt ko mga mangihi sa mga tanom. So ako lang siyang i-ana dire. Muna siya pang lalaki. So mangihi na ko ha. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry sa tanom sa kulola. There. Yes, success. Di ba ang lalaki kailan may ana-ana ilang pikoy? Yes, nakaihi ko pero di ko katrapos akong king-king. My second attempt was a success. Finally, nakaihin ako properly. Ang technique di ay kay ang Go Girl, imo ipaubos and then hinayon lang ni mo ihi. Step number 2, success! Hey guys, so it is a week after I got my period. Medyo na-stop siya gamay. And now, since sumana ako ang regla, mangihi ko karon sa sud sa auto. So, come on. Okay guys, so let's pretend mo na yung situation. Deadlock traffic. But luckily, na ako'y butilya and na ako'y Go Girl. Okay, so we're gonna try to put it in. It's so hard! Lisod good siya, oy. Okay, so obviously nag-change location ko kay lisod kaayo sa atubangan. Like, so change na to ang scenario. But instead, ako ang pasahero. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's working. Wow. So we finally did it, guys. Nakaihi ko inside the car, which means that it is doable, but I honestly feel like kailangan na mag-position si mong self properly before you actually try peeing. At least nabuhat na to. And then now I have to go back downstairs and clean the car. Hey guys, so nana ko sa office karon and I have the Go Girl cup na atong ipasaway sa mga tao diri sa opisina. But first, let's find our subjects.
Hi, babe.
Hello.
Napakay ka today.
Sa'yo ganahan dyan.
Kibaw ka unsa ni?
What is that?
It's a go girl. That's a thing that you put on your vagina para makaihi ka.
Wala ni gigamit.
If you allow, I will ask you to pee standing up using that.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is so useful.
Girl, I tried it. Willing ka? Say yes.
Okay. So ladies, if you want to know how it feels like to pee like a man, you have to use this.
Yeah.
Sige.
Good luck, babe. I love you.
Bye,
Godspeed.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So do you feel like you envy guys more, or you feel like you're better than guys because you have that now?
This has nothing to do with boys. Anyway, it's just really making women's life easier.
So guys, I've successfully made Bea pee using the Go Girl cup. So now we're gonna see if someone else is willing to do it. One more person, because I have one more cup than ana to if willing bagid sila. Inside this bag contains an extra Go Girl that we're gonna ask my mom to use. Oh, mommy!
What?
You know what this is?
Yeah? Why?
Sige na, please!
Sige na, what?
Gamit na ba ha? Per video.
Ako dyan yung paggamito, nana, ha?
Albang kayo.
What?
Pan.
Paano ka karoon? I'm not gonna do that, ha? Ilomisa!
Fine. Love you. You still love me.
No.
So guys, I'm finally done with my Go Girl experience. And honestly, it was pretty good. So I'm pretty sure that you guys know by now what this Go Girl is. But if you don't, it's basically this nifty device that helps girls be able to pee standing up. So I had a pretty fun time with this Go Girl.
Oh my god, oh my god!
Aray, aray, aray. Oh my god. Considering all the bloopers that I had with this product, it was pretty fun to use because I realized that I don't have to sit on the air every time I use a public bathroom, and it's just really fun being able to pee standing up, guys. So I would really recommend this product for a lot of girls who like to go out a lot. I think that this is one of the greatest products that you could ever invest in. So a little bit of my pros and cons about this product. I love how it's really discreet. It's pretty small. You can fold it because it is made out of silicone, and you can stuff it in your bag or you can put it in your pocket. Another thing that I really like about this product, it is pretty affordable. I got it for around 500 pesos Lazada, and you can also find other similar products to this that are a lot cheaper as well. One of the cons that I noticed about this product, your pee smell kind of tends to stick on it, so you really want to make sure that you wash it right after you use it, or that you also carry like tissue, wet wipes, and alcohol with you. And you do want to dry it out because you don't want to stick it in like a bag and it's still wet. But other than that, it is a pretty good product. I would definitely bring it with me everywhere I go. I hope that you guys like this brand new show that I have, Bayhana. I am so happy that it is finally out. If there's something that you want me to try out for research purposes, especially if it has something to do with feminine care, feminine health, or you know, just about being a girl, let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to try out the products for you. I would like to say thank you to all the people who helped make this video possible. My mom, who still loves me by the way, my friends, and to everyone out there who have also seen me pee standing up. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. I am Issa of Issaplease, and don't forget to follow Bai TV as well. I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Bye!